Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a happy little scarecrow. Let's grab a black marker and get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, we'll start with the scarecrow's hat. Draw a curved line, then go up and around like this. Great job! Now, let's draw the round face under the hat. Just a nice big circle. Time for some hair poking out from the sides. Zigzag lines here and there. Let's give our scarecrow two big circle eyes. 1 and 2. Now a cute little triangle nose, just like this. Draw a happy stitched mouth, like a curved line with little straight stitches. Let's add a bow tie under the face. A small circle and 2 triangles. Now draw a big floppy shirt. Go down, out, and make the ends zigzag like it's blowing in the wind. Draw the stand right down the middle, a tall rectangle or stick. Let's add the arms sticking out like this. 1, 2. Now draw the base with grasses under the scarecrow's stick. We'll finish by drawing some cute little patches on the shirt and hat. They look like squares with stitches. Nice job, everyone! Our scarecrow drawing is complete. Let's go over our drawing with the black marker one more time. Make all the lines bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Amazing job, artists! Yay! Now it's time to color. Yay! We'll use rainbow colors today. Here come the color pens. Let's say them together. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! It's looking so bright and cheerful. Keep coloring and have fun. Your scarecrow looks awesome. Thanks for drawing with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your artwork with your friends. See you next time for more colorful fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.